ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
कि नोंगमी खमान ने की रीजनल कमिटी जों का जिला मेघालय बट का जिला असम किन सपनलोंग ये का जिंगजुरिब लंग हा का खंडाई तरीक बनाए रिसाव 8000 आरफुए ये की आर्तली की जका बया का जापोट हपनेंग का जिला मेघालय बट का जिला असम कि बकिंथोब ये का शनोंग खाना परा बट का शनोंग पिलंग कता yakani la pentip do sembut menteri rangba jong ka jilla uba preston tensong uba longru chairman jong ka regional committee haba ya keren bat kilat patrai khubor ha ka hendreu tarik ubna risau arajar arpuai uba preston ulo ongru shwa kani kan sadon shwa ka jingilang bat kirkhot ka regional committee na ka jilla assam ka ban salong hanong ba gohati ha ka pratarik ubna risau arajar arpuai.
Our first meeting will be on the 9th. On the 8th. Sorry, will be on the 8th evening at 7 o'clock between both the members of the committee from both sides at 7 o'clock in the evening, and next day on the 9th at around 8:30 we will go and visit or inspect those places. So the decision we taken is for the next inspection is only 2 places. One is Khanapara and number 2 is Pilang Kata. And again the next phase will be again fixed between these 2 committees. Any convenient time, then we will go for the second phase. So I just wanted to inform. No, we will have a meeting on the 8th evening at Guwahati. Okay. Then next morning 9 we will go and do the site inspection from 8:30 morning onwards to these 2 places, Pilang Kata area and Khanapara area. We have a cluster here in the, if you talk about Khanapara, we have a cluster which includes not less than 7 places. Okay, about 7 places. Again in Pilang Kata area we have another 5 places where we need to go to each and every point appeared in that presentation made last time between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam. Since the committee has been already constituted, you allow us to go to the spot. Both the committees jointly we are going down to the spot, and then we will submit a report to both the chief ministers. Well, in fact, in the last meeting we had visually with both the chief ministers, the target is on the 28th of this month. But due to this by-election, in Assam they have not less than 5 by-election, and then this side also we have 3 by-election. So I think it may take little longer. I don't think we'll be able to complete submitting the report to both the chief minister, but still time. Let us see whether we'll be able to do it or not. But it depends on the regional committee if they can do nothing like it, because we have three committees. One is Jaintia Hills, one is Riboy, and one is West Khasi's. The chairman from Assam side is Mr. Hazarika. He is also a minister, Mr. Hazarika, and the members. The MLA was also included a local MLA. For Pilang Kata and Khanapara, we call it Metro Urban constituency. And then again, Mr. one more minister is there, the president of AGP, I forgot his name, Atul Bora. Mr. Atul Bora was there. So from this side, myself, Daskiat, Lamare, and then Mr. Sotun and Mr. Miralwan.